Hey friends, my name is Anil Patel and I'm going to show installation of Tableau Desktop Professional. So first I'm going to show installation of Tableau Desktop Professional in Windows operating system. So first we will tableau.com and enter into website. Then under the products menu we have Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Online, Tableau Prep, Tableau Public. So Tableau Desktop is 14 days free trial. After that it won't work without a license key. And a Tableau Public we can easily use without any license, but Tableau Public is for learning purpose and comparatively has less features. So we are going to install Tableau Desktop. So first we'll click on Tableau Desktop, then here try it for free, and here we'll enter email ID. So I'll enter my email ID. Then click on download free trial, and Tableau Desktop we can install in Windows as well as Mac OS. In upcoming video I'll show how to download and install for Mac OS. So here in I button you can see the link for Mac OS. So it's the latest version is 2020.0. So it's 460 MB, hardly takes 5 minutes to download. So the setup has been downloaded, and today is 24th September, and latest version as of now is 2020.3.0. I'm going to launch the setup. So this is a setup exe file. Simply I'll double click on it. Then we'll click on I have read and accept the terms and condition. Then click on install. So we'll click on install, and one user account control confirmation window appears, pop-up appears. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yeah, so we have to allow this. Then installation started. It takes almost 5 minutes. Then Tableau Desktop is ready to use. Tableau is one of the most popular BI and analytics tool. So finally Tableau Desktop Professional 2020.3 has been installed. And friends, almost all version of Tableau are the same, but functionalities are upgrading in every release. Some patches are applied by Tableau. Whether you work on Tableau 10.1 or 18.0 or 19.0 or 2020, almost everything is same. So I'm going to double click on Tableau icon. So enjoy 14 days free trial of the Tableau Professional, and thanks for watching this channel. If you have liked this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.